Hi, friends. Liya here, and welcome back. I'm very happy to see you again. Today, we're learning English through simple conversations about your first day on the job. We'll look at real-life situations in a busy kitchen and a modern hotel. Let's get started. Hi, Elena. Thanks for letting me shadow you today.
No problem, Liya. Grab that cleaning cart and follow me.
Wow, this cart is heavy. How many rooms do we have to clean daily?
On a regular day, about 15 to 18 rooms.
18 rooms? That sounds like a lot.
It is. You have to move fast. Speed is everything here.
How much time do we have per room?
20 minutes for a stayover and 35 minutes for a checkout.
Only 35 minutes for a full checkout. Is that even possible?
Once you learn the technique, it's easy. Strip the bed first, then do the bathroom.
What if a room is completely trashed by the guests?
Call the supervisor immediately. They will allocate extra time or help.
Does the supervisor inspect every single room after we finish?
Yes, they check the mirrors, dust behind the TV, and look for hairs.
Hairs? That sounds strict.
Oh, guests complain about hairs immediately. Always double-check the bathroom floor.
What is the hardest part of the job, in your opinion?
Mechanically making the bed perfectly. The hospital corners on the sheets take practice.
Can you show me how to do those corners?
Sure. Watch closely. Fold it like a triangle, then tuck it in.
Ah, I see. It looks so neat when you do it.
You'll get the hang of it by the end of the week. Trust me.
Do guests usually leave tips in the rooms?
Sometimes. Usually around $3 to $5. On weekends, it's better.
Do we get to keep the tips, or do we share them?
If the tip is in your assigned room, it's 100% yours.
That's a nice bonus. Is the executive housekeeper nice?
She is fair, but very strict about the checklist. Don't skip anything.
My back is already hurting a bit, and we just started.
Yeah, the first 2 weeks are tough on the body. Buy good shoes and stretch.
Thanks for the advice, Elena. Let's do the next room. Hi, I'm Liya. Today is my first day here.
Hey, Liya. Welcome to the Madhouse. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry, we've all been there. Ready to chop some onions?
Ready as I'll ever be. Can I ask you about the schedule?
Sure, shoot. What do you want to know?
Is the manager strict about clocking in exactly on time?
Oh, absolutely. If you are even 2 minutes late, the machine flags it.
Good to know. And what about the shifts? Are they flexible?
Usually, yes. You can swap shifts with others if you ask in advance.
How many hours a week do you usually get?
I do full-time about 40 hours. Newbies usually start with 30.
That works for me. Do we get any breaks during a long shift?
Yes, you get one 30-minute unpaid break and two 10-minute paid breaks.
What are my main duties for the morning shift?
Mostly prep work. Washing veggies, peeling potatoes, and organizing the walk-in fridge.
Do I have to wash the heavy pots and pans too?
Yes, that's part of the job. The dishwasher guy handles the plates, but we help.
Got it. What's the rule about the uniform?
Apron and hairnet are mandatory, and you must wear non-slip shoes.
I bought these sneakers. Are they okay?
Let me see. Yeah, those are perfect. Safety first, the floor gets super greasy.
Who is the toughest chef here? Who should I avoid?
Chef Gordon on the evening shift. He yells a lot, but he's actually a good guy.
I'll try to stay under his radar. How does the pay cycle work? Is it weekly or bi-weekly?
We get paid bi-weekly every second Friday, direct deposit.
Great. Is there an opportunity for overtime?
During weekends or holidays, definitely. And they pay time and a half for overtime.
Wow, time and a half is great. What about staff meals?
That's the best part. You get one free meal per shift.
Can we order anything from the menu?
Not the steaks, unfortunately, but burgers, salads, and pasta are all free game.
That saves a lot of money on groceries.
It really does. All right, grab that knife. Let's start with the carrots.
That's all for today. I hope these phrases help you feel more confident at work. Which job do you prefer, kitchen or hotel? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to practice them out loud. See you in the next video. Bye!